in there, are you?
Yeah.
And how are you going to do that? By car?
No, I've got my through-wheel bicycle loader with small power unit engine, Splody type of engine. That will take us up.
Yes.
My wife's not here, unfortunately. I left her in Missouri, so the sidecar will be empty, and we'll take the victuals and the, pardon, very fine eatings that we shall be taking up.
Yes. Well,
Up in the air, mate. I never had a scooter before with wheelie that high, especially an old bird like this. Imagine the weight. I'd be right up, and I had an audience as well, all in the garage, they were like gobsmacked.